So I am going 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take this MOSFiATA and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Clearly this knife is super sharp. You can see all I'm doing is this and it's not cutting. Let's try that one. Right out of the box.
What?
Here's just a piece of paper. Right away it starts cutting. Here is some plastic. Look how fine this is. This is like melt in your mouth fine.
Knives?
This is because you're a professional food blogger.
I don't know what's in them though.
Here you go.
What's in them?
This is
What is this, MOSFiATA?
This is because you're a professional food blogger.
Knives? We have so many knives.
It's only one knife.
What's this?
It's a sharpener and
Oh, that sharpens? And
yeah, so you don't slash your fingers when you're doing the close cuts, I think. Let's see how sharp it is. So here is one of our knives. When I cut, I'm not applying any pressure, it's kind of going in. But you can see, all I'm doing is this and it's not cutting. Let's try that one. Right out of the box.
what? It's so sharp.
Did you apply any pressure?
No pressure. I have a glass of wine. You want some?
Yeah, look at that.
I'm gonna
No
pour you-
pressure at all. Let's try this.
Okay. No.
So I am going 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take this MOSFiATA and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Okay.
It is sharp.
Wow. It's like you don't even need to like saw, you just cut.
So juicy. I want to eat it.
Here is some plastic. Look at that, cut. Now we're going to take our knife. Okay, maybe if I held this like this. Even then, oh, there it is. Now it cut it. All right. Here's just a piece of paper. Again, we have not cleaned the knife yet. Okay, so this is how far we got with 3. Now this one, right away starts cutting. This is how far we got 3 times. Clearly this knife is super sharp. Some people are saying that the design is kind of ugly. I don't think that the design is overpowering at all, actually, at all. So we've got a protective cover sheet for it. So you can keep it in here so it doesn't get dull when you put it in with the rest of your knives. They gave us a really nice case with this. They also provided you with a knife sharpener. You have your fine and then here's your coarse. So we're gonna go and just basically, let's see if we can sharpen this one. I'm assuming we're just doing this. And then this should just sharpen it. I don't know how many I'm supposed to. Let's see if this cuts better. So last time That's how far we got, 3 cuts. It's a little further, so I gotta keep sharpening, but we're not gonna worry about that. The last thing that we got is a handy little finger protector. Put your fingers in here, and then you can just kind of cut like this. I don't know how to work this. I don't really like this anyways, but in terms of slicing and dicing, this is how so super fine. And it just goes right on it. You guys can see that? Look how fine this is. This is like melt in your mouth fine. No pressure whatsoever, which means these breads are not going to crumble. 1. No pressure at all. Crazy. But you're asking, what about hard things? Like, what about this cheese? Well, look at this. Just like that. Now let's use this one to compare. You really gotta apply pressure, and then even then, you see, it kind of crumbles it down again. So here's a plastic cup. I'm gonna cut myself. It's going through it slowly. Let's see this guy. Oh wow, this one just went through it. Wow, it snapped it. MOSFiATA, definitely the knife to beat. Look in the description if you like this.